Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select drawing in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and this is my drawing. Now I'll select. Simply click on this drawing and say this is select now. Now I can move this anywhere, drag it and click right button. You can delete and press Ctrl C for on keyboard for copy and now press Ctrl V for paste and see this. I can move it. Also you can select multiple drawing. First click and press Ctrl key from your keyboard and select another one. And see this. Now two of this you can move anywhere. See this. In this way you can select on or multiple drawing at once. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.